Good morning, everyone. My name is Miss Olivia. Welcome to Story Time. This morning, we're going to be reading some books about nature. So, we always start with a good morning song when we do story time. So, we're going to warm up our fingers. I'll teach you the hand motions, and we're going to sing in English, and we're going to sing in Spanish. So, we're going to bring our hand up to our head and out for hello. Our two fingers are going to hug because they're friends. Going to tap our imaginary watch for it's time. Bring our finger up to our mouth and out to say hello. Here we go. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Now we've done it in ASL and we've done it in English, so here's the Spanish. I'm going to say hola. We're going to have our fingers hug because they're amigos. Tap our imaginary watch for es hora. Finger up and out. A decir hola. Here we go. Hola, amigos. Hola, amigos. Hola, amigos. Es hora a decir hola. Very good. That's 3 languages. I'm so proud of you. That was easy, right? Okay, now that we've done our first song, we go immediately to our book. What? No! Oh, that's right. I forgot. We always do another song. And we're going to do a little finger play in between. So, we practice these 5 skills in story time. Sing, talk, play, write, and read. To remember those, I have a little hand motion. So, can everyone take out their first finger and write your name in the air? Because our first skill is writing. Take out 2 fingers and turn it on its side. Talk, 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 talk. It makes a little mouth because our second skill is talking. And our third skill, we'll bring it up to our chin. La, la, la. Our third skill is singing. We've already practiced that one. And we're going to bring out 2 fours, bring them together in the middle to make a book, because our 4th skill is reading. We're about to get to that one. And our 5th skill, we're going to take up 2 5s, bring down those middle 3. This is the sign for playing, because playing is an essential part of getting your child ready to read. So now that we've gone over those, we're going to do one of my favorite motion songs, and it goes like this. I wake up my hands with a clap, 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 a clap, 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 a clap, clap, clap. I wake up my hands with a clap, 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 and wiggle my waggles away. I'll wake up my feet with a stomp, 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 a stomp, 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 a stomp, stomp, stomp. I'll wake up my feet with a stomp, 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 and wiggle my waggles away. I'll wake up my eyes with a blink, 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 a blink, 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 a blink, blink, blink. I'll wake up my eyes with a blink, 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 and wiggle my waggles away. I'll wake up my head with a nod, 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 a nod, 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 a nod, nod, nod. I'll wake up my head with a nod, 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 and wiggle my waggles away. I'll wake up my hips with a shake, 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 a shake, 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 a shake, shake, shake. I'll wake up my hips with a shake, 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 and wiggle my waggles away. All done. Is that all the wiggles? Excellent. Okay, I think we're ready for a story. How about you? Yeah? Awesome. Here we go. Our first book of today is called A Stone Sat Still by Brendan Wenzel. A stone sat still with the water, grass, and dirt, and it was as it was where it was in the world. And the stone was dark. So dark. Are you scared of the dark? Sometimes? It isn't always dark. And the stone was bright. Look at that. And the stone was loud. What did that seagull do? What is he doing? Is he breaking open his dinner right there? Yeah, I think so. And the stone was quiet. So quiet. Who's sitting there? Who's sitting on that rock? Is that a snake? Are snakes really quiet? Yeah? And it sat where it sat with the water, grass, and dirt, and it was as it was where it was in the world. And the stone was rough. Look at that. Doesn't that look spiky and rough? How big is this guy, do you think? Is he little bitty? I don't know. Are slugs tiny? I think so. And the stone was smooth. How big is a porcupine? That might require a little research later. And the stone was green, red, purple, and blue. And the stone was a pebble. Wow. Is that a moose? Is this guy a gigantic, humongous moose? One of the biggest animals? And the stone was a hill. Oh goodness, look, it's a little tiny bug. And look how gigantic the hill of a stone is. But it's still the same stone. And the stone was a feel. And the stone was a smell. I've never thought about being able to smell a stone. Have you? And it sat where it sat with the water, grass, and dirt, and it was as it was where it was in the world. And the stone was the wild. And the stone was a home. And the stone was a kitchen. Yum, yum. The otter's about to have dinner. And the stone was a throne. I wonder what kind of cat this is. Maybe it's a bobcat? Maybe it's a lynx. I don't know. And the stone was a marker, and a map, and a maze. See all that? A danger, a haven, a story, a stage. And the stone was a blink. Can you do that? Can you blink? Blink, it's gone. And the stone was an age. And the stone was an island. And the stone was a wave. Can you see it? Where did the stone go? And the stone was a memory. And the stone was always. What does that mean? Do you think it's still there even though we can't see it? Have you ever known such a place? where with water, grass, and dirt a stone sits still in the world. The end. All right. Now that we've had our first story, you were such a good audience. I'm so proud of all of you. Now we're going to do some songs. Are you ready? Okay. Now this one, I'm pretty sure you know it. It's called Row, Row, Row Your Boat. And this one comes with motions because we're actually going to row the boat, okay? We have 2 oars, one here and one here. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Good work. All right. So we've just done row, row, row your boat. Now we're going to do the itsy bitsy spider. Did you remember seeing an itsy bitsy spider in our book? You did! I'm so proud of you. Look at those observational skills. Okay. Now, this comes with hand motions too, so get ready. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Alright, so we've done row, row, row your boat, itsy bitsy spider, and now I think it's time for our next story. This one is called Water is Water by Miranda Paul. Illustrations by Jason Chin. Drip, sip, pour me a cup. Water is water, unless it heats up. Whirl, swirl, watch it curl by. Steam is steam, unless it cools high. What do you see in these clouds? A dragon in a wagon? A crow kneading dough? Clouds are clouds, unless they form low. What does that mean if a cloud is on the ground? Do you recognize that? It's fog. Misty, twisty. Where is the town? Fog is fog, unless it falls down. So a fog is a cloud on the ground, and clouds in the sky, sometimes they make rain. Patter, splatter, what is that sound? Rain is rain, unless on the ground. Slosh and galoshes, splash to your knees. Puddles are puddles, unless... What can happen to a puddle? Puddles freeze. Glide, slide, put on the brakes. is ice unless it forms flakes. Pack, stack, shape it, and... Uh-oh. Can you see? What do they have in their hand? Do you think they're going to throw them? They might. Let's see. Smack! Oh no! The snowman got hit by a snowball! Snow is snow unless spring comes back. Creep, seep, squish in your boots. Ew. Mud is mud unless there are roots. Swig, grow big. Can you show me big? Good job. Reach for the best. Apples are apples unless they get pressed. Drip, sip, pour me a cup. Cider is cider until we drink up. The end. For more information about the water cycle, check out our online databases at fortworthtexas.gov/library. All right, now that we've had our second book, now we need to sing, don't we? Here's this song, and this one has motion, so everybody get up, stretch, all the way up to the sky, and all the way down to your toes. All the way down to your toes. Stretch all the way to the side, and all the way to the other side. Up high, and down low. One more time. Okay. This song is called Walking, Walking, and it goes to the tune of Frère Jacques. It goes like this. Walking, 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 hop, 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 hop. Running, 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 running. Now we stop, now we stop. Tiptoe, 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 hop, 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 hop. Running, 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 running. Now we stop, now we stop. Marching, 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 marching. Hop, 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 hop. Running, 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 running. Now we stop, now we stop. I love to do this song with story time because it helps get those wiggles out, but also it helps suit word to action. So when you teach the child to follow the verb and do the verb when you're doing that, you're building their vocabulary. You're connecting words and sounds to actions, and you're also teaching them stop and go. So you're teaching them stop. That's a really great way to bring it in there and make it fun, but you're still practicing that skill. It's going to be super important. Now I have a question for everybody. Are you ready for a story? If you're ready for a story, clap your hands. If you're ready for a story, clap your hands. If you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, clap your hands. Our last story today will be Animal City by Joan Negrescolor. Nina likes to visit the jungle city. she knows all the paths and smells there. This is her secret place. This is where the animals and plants live. And where lost objects are found. Do you see anything on there that you've lost? Maybe? Nina likes to watch the flurry of the city. The flurry, hurry, scurry of the city. How many animals can you see? I see a boar and a crocodile and an elephant and a flamingo, maybe a big bird for sure, a turtle, a monkey. Do you see anything else? Did I miss another bird? Let's see what else. Her friends are always so happy to see her. Are you happy when you get to see your friends? Yeah? Nina brings stories to read to the animals. Gosh, Jaguar looks like he's really enjoying the story, don't you think? The monkeys like stories about other worlds. Journeys to the moon, escapades in outer space, and alien adventures. Do you like stories like that? I like stories like that. Let's see what other kinds. The flamingos like myths and legends about gods, dragons, and beasts with 7 heads. I love stories like that. How about you? What stories do you like? You do? Oh, that's so cool. What other kinds are there? And the snake prefers poems about the sea, sailors, and storms. All right, my parents, when I'm running my fingers under the words when we read, that's a way to build print awareness. And you see how we're elongating the S's for the snake page? That's another great way to build phonemic awareness. But the story the animals like best? How many animals on this page? Can you tell me? Wow, that's so many. What's the story the animals like best? It's this one. The one about them. The story takes place in a quiet spot where humans once lived. And where nature now runs wild. Lena calls it Animal City. Soon she will be back for a new story. And I hope you'll join us when she does. The end. Okay, friends. Now we're all done with reading our stories. We have a craft to do. So, my friends, if you could please take out from your bag, the paper bag you can get at one of our locations, this bag. It's got a chenille stem inside, and it's got a piece of crepe paper. We're going to make a flower today. And when we're done making our flower, we'll sing our last song to say goodbye. All right. Are you ready? Alrighty, friends. Now we're going to put the craft together. We're going to take our 12-inch piece of crepe paper and our chenille stem. And our chenille stem is going to be the stem of the flower. Now we do need to get started by making the flower. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick an end. I like this one to start with. And we're going to start forming it into a circle. We're going to crimp the bottom. We're going to pinch it together with our fingers. And we're going to start forming it into a flower, okay? And we're just going to keep pinching and curling and going around. As you go, you're going to want to kind of pull the petals out to make the flower bloom a little bit. And we're going to do like a triangle motion, pinch it down there. See how I'm pinching and twisting right there? We're going to keep going, okay? Kind of a triangle type of motion. And see how when we make the flower bloom, this is how it takes its shape. And we're just going to keep on pinching and twisting at the bottom right there. And my parents, as your kiddo is doing this, they're building their fine motor control. This helps them with their writing skills. So we've done singing and playing and talking and reading. And now with our fine motor skill development, we're doing writing. So that's all 5 skills we've done today. Okay, I'm almost done making my flower. And I've gone kind of up and down with it. It doesn't need to be even. It's better if it isn't. And then you can kind of tuck that corner underneath to make it look like a petal. And then you can twist it. And then we're going to take our stem. We're going to make a little bend. We're going to go around like this. And once we make a twist and we hold it in place, going to fold down that pokey little end. And there you go. There's our flower. Alrighty friends, in case you don't have, you couldn't pick up one of the craft bags from our branches, that's okay. Here's another way to do our craft with some household materials. All you'll need is some tissue paper, like from an old present or something. And all you'll do is you will cut out the tissue paper. About a 12-inch strip here. About 1.5 inches. And it's okay if it's a little wrinkly and funny. I'll fold it in. And then we'll just cut that right there. We don't need the big piece, so we'll put that to the side. We're going to take a bread bag twist tie and our about 12-inch strip of paper. And now we're going to start kind of pinching and crimping just like we did before. Just keep on turning and pinching right there so we can get a really good grip on it. Gonna fan out that edge just a little as we go. Look at that lovely rose taking shape. Gonna just keep on moving and pinching it and turning it, and it's okay if it comes undone a little bit. You can just sort of push it back into shape and keep going. We're gonna fold in this pokey corner up here. And then we're gonna just finish it off right there. Just have it right there nice and tight. Then we're gonna take our twist tie and just go around it, really anchor the end of it right there a couple of times. And there you have it, our lovely rose.
out of household materials.
Thank you so much for joining me with a story time today. Now we have one more thing to do. We're going to sing our goodbye song. Now it has those same hand motions almost. It's called Goodbye Friends. And so we're going to wave goodbye. Our fingers are going to hug because they're friends. We're going to tap our watch for it's time. Bring our finger up to our mouth and out to say goodbye. Ready to sing? Here we go. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. Now we're going to do it in Spanish. So we're going to say adios. Our fingers are going to hug because they're amigos. We're going to tap our watch for es hora. Finger up to our mouth and out. A decir adios. Here we go. Adios, amigos. Adios, amigos. Adios, amigos. Es hora a decir adios. Goodbye, friends. Thank you. We'll see you next time.